This video is sponsored by MacPod, the creators of Clean My Mac X. This is a program that I use almost every day to clean up junk files, protect my Mac from malware, and speed up my Mac to work like it did from day one. There's also a ton of other tools that you get with this program without any hassle whatsoever. So if you want to start the program I use for my Mac, check out the link down below to see more info and also to download it today. Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today Apple did in fact release iOS 12.4.1, a very unexpected update for most of us, but a very important update specifically for Apple. So let's go ahead and break down this update for you guys. We got it installed on the iPhone XS Max test device that we have here, and we'll kind of just break down for you exactly what's going on in this version of iOS. Now, what are the new features? What are the UI changes? Maybe some battery performance improvements, maybe some overall performance improvements. Where are we seeing all of this in iOS 12.4.1? Actually, we're not seeing any of that. This was actually just a release to fix a bug or kind of a patch that had been unpatched in iOS 12.4. So in iOS 12.3, Apple did in fact place a patch not allowing jailbreaks on iOS 12.3. Now with iOS 12.4, that patch was kind of taken out. So it was kind of unpatched, and a lot of people were able to jailbreak their devices running iOS 12.4. Now since then, Apple has figured out that it needs to be patched once again, hence iOS 12.4.1. So this update purely is just the same version of iOS 12.4, just with that patch. As far as any new features go and any UI changes, those have all been saved for iOS 13 betas and the official release that will likely be coming within the next month. So do not cross your fingers for any more kind of content surrounding iOS 12.4.1 or any possible future versions. Those will all be saved for very likely the same kind of updates here revolving around security. If you guys do have an updated device with like that updated jailbreak on iOS 12.4, do not update to iOS 12.4.1. That could possibly brick your device, or it could possibly erase your device and the jailbreak with it. So guys, a lot of you guys asked this question in the comment section down below: should you update to the latest and greatest version of iOS 12? And my answer here, specific to iOS 12.4.1, is just hold off for the next couple of weeks. We don't know if Apple in the back door made any other kind of small changes here and there. Maybe there's some more vulnerabilities found within iOS 12.4.1, but if you have a solid working iOS 12.4, I would not recommend updating. Just stay on iOS 12.4. You're not missing anything. As I said, no new features, no UI changes, no performance improvements. We went ahead and tested out the CPU, GPU, found no improvement whatsoever. We tested out battery life test, just a very, very short one, and found no improvement there either. So as far as kind of updating and kind of getting the latest and greatest, there's really nothing new here with iOS 12.4.1. Now, anyways, guys, I'm sorry there's nothing new, but that's just a quick update on what iOS 12.4.1 is. Hopefully you guys were educated via this video, and hopefully you guys don't waste the time updating just because it's not really worth the update and potentially getting maybe some other issues that might be found within iOS 12.4.1. So guys, thank you for watching this update video on iOS 12.4.1. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, please leave those in the comment section down below. Now, if you guys want to stay updated with all iOS related content and other tech related content, make sure to leave a like on the video. Also, get subscribed and hit that notification bell button. That will give you updates as soon as any of our content is released, and you will not want to miss out. We have a ton of iOS 13 content coming up in the next couple of weeks. So again, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll be seeing you guys in some upcoming content. Peace.